Hello everyone. Welcome to MCQ for Judiciary Exams. Question number 1. What can be the court's final stance if the DSP asks for a certified copy of the bail order from the accused? Option A. Discharge him after taking a lenient appeal. Option B. Hold him guilty of contempt and punish. Option C. Ignore the conduct as insignificant. Option D. Transfer the case to the another court. The correct answer is option A. The Punjab and Haryana High Court in Ayush versus State of Haryana and another issued a contempt notice against the DSP for asking the accused to produce a certified copy of the bail order but later discharged him after accepting an unconditional apology and taking a lenient view. Question number 2. What will be the court's condition while quashing the POCSO case against the accused? Option A. Immediate acquittal without any conditions. Option B. Accused to do community service and pay costs. Option C. Accused to pay compensation to the complainant. Option D. Case transferred to a lower court. The correct answer is option B. The Delhi High Court in Zihad Ahmed versus State NCT of Delhi and another quashed the POCSO case but directed the accused to perform community service for 1 month and pay Rs 50,000 towards the Army Welfare Fund. Question number 3. Under the Indian Contract Act, when does silence amount to fraud in a contract? Option A. Always, if one party remains silent. Option B. Only when there is a duty to disclose. Option C. When the other party asks a question. Option D. Silence never amounts to fraud. The correct answer is option B. According to Section 17 of the Indian Contract Act, silence is fraud only if there is a duty to speak or silence is equivalent to speech. Mere silence alone is not a fraud. Question number 4. What does the term impeachment generally refer to? Option A. The process of removing a public official from office. Option B. A type of criminal offence. Option C. A legal contract between two parties. Option D. The act of filing a civil lawsuit. The correct answer is option A. Impeachment is a formal process by which a public official is accused and potentially removed from the office for misconduct or violation of law. Question number 5. Which out of the following sections of the Code of Civil Procedure relates to the power of restitution of civil court? Option A. Section 148. Option B. Section 96. Option C. Section 144. Option D. Section 146. The correct answer is option C. Section 144 of the Code of Civil Procedure deals with the doctrine of restitution, which aims to restore parties to their original positions if a decree or order is subsequently varied, reversed, set aside, or modified. Today's practice question. In criminal trial, generally the burden of proof lies on option A. Accused, option B. Prosecution, option C. Defense lawyer, option D. The court. Send us your answers in the comment section below.